Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to contact Airalo customer support. Also, if you are buying your first Airalo eSIM, I've left a discount code in the description, so be sure to check that out as well. So first of all, come here on Airalo.com, or you can also launch your Airalo application on your phone. Just make sure that you sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, if you are accessing on your web browser, you are going to see this type of message icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. But if you are accessing it via your mobile application, you need to first go to your profile section and then simply select the option of help. Now, as soon as you do so, you are going to see this type of message box in front of you where you can basically type any of the query for which you want to contact to the customer support team. Now, you are also going to see the Allo bot, but if you want to connect with the person, you can just simply ask it that I want to connect with Airalo agent, and they are going to basically connect you with them, and then you can provide your information about any of the problems that you are facing, and that's how you can contact it via the chatbot. Now if you want to basically mail them, then you can mail them on the support@airalo.com. So you can also scroll down a bit and take a look at their chat to support option and contact options available. You can also follow them on the social media accounts, and then you can contact them from there as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.